Adding buttons to your Weebly.
The first step is to go to your Weebly app.
Next, you're going to want to click the website button on the bottom of the screen.
Next, you're going to see the blue edit site in the middle of the screen, so then you press that.
For step 4, you're going to press the plus sign on the top of the screen.
Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the button icon.
Next, you're going to drag the button to wherever you want to place it on the page.
Once it's on the screen, you double click it and then type your button text.
Then you're going to want to press the link button with an arrow, which will take you to the page you want.
Then you'll see 2 buttons and you want to press standard link.
Then you're going to want to scroll down to the page where you want the button to be linked to.
Lastly, you're going to press preview on the top right hand corner of the page and you'll see this pop up and press publish.